Do you know the strategies that successful businesses use to attract customers and generate repeat orders? Starbucks, for example, implemented a rewards program that effectively doubled customer satisfaction. Through the use of loyalty cards, which offer points for each purchase, Starbucks improves customer loyalty and collects valuable data on individual preferences. This data is then utilized to create personalized marketing campaigns, ultimately contributing to the brand's sustained success. Through customer lifetime value or profitability calculation, one loyal Starbucks customer can contribute $14,000 USD. Considering the extensive number of loyal customers they have, envision the substantial revenue that Starbucks has generated so far. Customers are an invaluable asset in any business whether or not they are profitable. The key question then becomes, how can we improve the value of unprofitable customers or those with low customer lifetime value? In this video, I will address how to enhance customer profitability by: first, acquire the right customers. Second, collecting customer data and building customer profiles. Third, grow and retain the existing customers through advanced analytics. Make sure that you watch the video until the end, as I will be sharing my personal experience in enhancing customer lifetime value within the insurance industry. Additionally, I will share how Netflix has successfully expanded its customer base over the last decade. Without any further delay, let's begin. In the first part of this video, improving CLV, that is customer lifetime value or customer profitability, begins with effective customer acquisition, that is the process of acquiring new customers and nurturing long-term relationships for conversion. One crucial aspect of customer acquisition, at least based on my previous experience in the insurance industry, is establishing multi-channel partnerships with other businesses such as e-commerce platforms and offline retail stores. Through these partnerships, these businesses can provide valuable customer information such as names, addresses, and phone numbers to enhance marketing leads. The insurance company has implemented a promotional offer of free insurance protection, although limited to basic coverage for 3 months. In exchange for this benefit, customers are kindly requested to participate in a brief survey that encompasses straightforward questions about demographics and vehicle ownership. The ultimate objective of this initiative is to gather relevant information and enhance our understanding of our clientele. Once the complimentary insurance coverage period has expired, the insurance company will introduce its paid products, marking the start of the actual conversion process. Predictive models utilize survey responses and conversion status to make predictions about conversions. Through variable importance analysis, these models identify the key predictors that can efficiently target potential customers, such as those who prefer credit cards for favorite payments. This process greatly improves the new customer targeting acquisition for future campaigns to be much more efficient. In this section, it is time to understand customer profiles by proper data collection. During data collection, it is important to keep the following points in mind. First, data originates from various channels, including mobile apps and social media platforms. Second, data cleansing ensures that the collected information is consistently formatted, thereby enabling reliable analysis. Finally, integrating data from multiple channels provides a comprehensive and unified view for a more holistic understanding. There are 2 primary categories of data: behavioral and demographic. Behavioral data is dynamic, capturing changes over time, and includes information such as purchase history and claims records. On the other hand, demographic data is static and represents customer identity, encompassing characteristics like gender and census data. It is essential to differentiate between these 2 types of data when developing an analytical framework and constructing precise predictive models. The subsequent procedure involves data cleansing by resolving issues of consistency, such as standardizing date formats and capitalizing letters. This process also includes removing duplicate entries for improved efficiency. Additionally, missing values are filled in using the mean, although in certain cases, median imputation is preferred to ensure robust statistical analysis. The following step after gathering and refining customer data from multiple sources is to consolidate it. By utilizing a single identifier such as a customer national ID, the data collected from the main database, claims, and transactions can be unified. This integration allows for aggregated data at a summarized level for each customer, providing an extensive amount of information. Now, the attention needs to be directed toward constructing customer profiles by posing essential inquiries. First, who are the most valuable customers? Second, what is the frequency order for the top 10% of customers? Third, what are the predicted profits for these valuable customers? Fourth, which top brands are sold to the top 10% of customers? There will be more questions, but it is recommended to brainstorm a few impactful questions. Once answered, the next step is to determine their applicability for root cause analysis within non-profitable or low CLV customers to build effective improvement strategies. To summarize, it is crucial to implement effective data collection strategies. This involves capturing highly detailed transaction-level information for customer data, ensuring accuracy and consistency through high-integrity measures. Additionally, achieving a unified view of customers across various channels is essential for complete representation and analysis. By implementing these practices, businesses can enhance their understanding of customer behavior and effectively maximize customer lifetime value. In this section, I will share an example highlighting the effectiveness of Netflix's recommendation engine in driving customer growth and satisfaction. Netflix data is generated from two primary sources. First is user behavior consisting of watch history, viewing duration, and thumb-like platform interactions. Second is movie content details, such as release year, genres, ratings, actors, and directors. This information is gathered to enhance the overall user experience on the platform. Netflix utilizes two methods for movie recommendations. The first method is collaborative filtering, which suggests content based on shared preferences with similar users. For instance, if user A enjoys action movies, user B will likely receive action movie recommendations. The second method is content-based filtering, which recommends content based on an individual's previous viewing history. This approach personalizes future suggestions to cater to the user's specific preferences. Netflix employs a personalized homepage alongside its recommendation engine, allowing users to easily access their favorite movies and TV series. This user-friendly interface improves the overall viewing experience by prioritizing content tailored to individual preferences. Finally, Netflix provides an individualized experience to its users by offering personalized movie recommendations based on their unique preferences and viewing history. This feature ensures that each viewer receives tailored content suggestions that resonate with their interests. For example, if a user is a child, they will receive recommendations for children's movies, while other users may be recommended action movies. Netflix strives to create a curated and enjoyable streaming experience for all of its users. Netflix's steady expansion over the last decade can be attributed to its advanced data science capabilities, which greatly enhance the overall customer experience. By prioritizing continuous improvement, Netflix is well positioned to sustain and further grow its customer base in the future. In summary, to improve the CLV, that is the customer lifetime value or profitability, businesses must acquire the appropriate customers and gather relevant data. Analyzing customer journeys, behaviors, and profiles derived from data enables informed decision-making on strategies with the help of machine learning advanced analytics to further enhance long-term customer relationships. In the next video, I'm going to share how machine learning in the propensity model can be used to create impactful solutions in marketing. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video so that you will not miss information about data and analytics. Until then, take care.